Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Ongole district. Let us see what are the job openings available one by one. Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Bandhan Bank all over India, and they have 3,656 bank units and 1,045 general banking branches, and they have a openings for 45,549 job roles. You can check with the job description details, and this is a field job. If you see, qualifications should be minimum 20 to 32 years of age between, and that is maximum age is 32 years, and should have 10 plus 2 qualification and above, and you should have a bike or scooty, and should have driving license as well. So this is a field work. And then if you see, they are going to give a uh, fixed salary and pf, medical claims, insurance, gratuity, like this. And based on your performance, your salary will be revised. So you should have a PAN card, and you should have a Aadhaar card, everything, and you should share your resume or CV along with your documents to the provided email ID. Email ID is territory@bandhanbank.com. So this is the email ID you have to share. If you have any questions, let me know in below in comments. I'll be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for Concertina Pharmaceuticals. They are looking for several job openings for several locations. Medical representatives. They have openings for Hyderabad, Warangal, Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Tirupati, Kadapa, Anantapur, Kurnool, Nellore, Ongole, Guntur, Vijayawada, Elur, Bhimavaram, Rajahmundry, Kakinada, Vizag and Srikakulam. For all these locations, they are looking for medical representatives. And qualification, if you see, should have a 3 years of relevant experience, and that is must. And up to 29 years of age limit is there, like age should be below or up to 29 years will be considered. Salary is negotiable based upon your skill set and experience. And candidates who having worked in respective HGS only will be considered. And they are looking for area sales manager. For the locations, they are looking Hyderabad, Warangal, Tirupati, Kurnool, Vijayawada, Vizag and Rajahmundry. Qualification, if you see, should have 3 years of experience in managerial. Cardiology experience will be considered, and up to 35 years of age will be considered. And salary is negotiable based on your skill set and experience, and should have worked in respective HQs need to apply. And they are looking for regional zonal sales manager, Hyderabad location. Should have 10 to 15 years of relevant experience with exposure to Telangana, AP and Odisha markets. And with their experience in who are having experience in Telangana, AP, Odisha markets will be considered. And age limit is up to 45 years of age limit is there. And salary is negotiable based upon your skill set and experience. You will be provided with challenging and motivating environment to grow at a rapid pace. You can share your resumes at the provided email ID on or before December 30th. The email ID is concertinpharmaceuticals@gmail.com. Remember, you have to share your resumes on or before December 30th. Next, there is a job openings for Cubix Medicare. They are looking for medical representatives. They have provided several requirements as well, like basic communication in language like English language skills, and you should be able to willing to travel or not. And minimum qualification is degree, and should have a two-wheeler as well, and should have minimum 6 months to 2 years of sales experience. You can share your resume at the provided email ID immediately, and you will earn minimum 14,000 to up to 22,000 per month, and along with incentives and conveyance allowance. So you can share your resume at the provided email ID, and for more information you can browse the provided official link https transcat.in recruitment.php, and email ID is careers@transcat.in, and official website address also provided www.qubixmedicare.in. Cubix Medicare Private Limited, this is the company name. So these are all the qualification details and the salary details and official email ID provided. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Srivastava Biotech India Private Limited, located in Addanki, Prakasam district. They have openings for computer operator. Qualification if you see should be any graduate. BCom is preferred, but that is not mandatory. Should have a knowledge of MS Office and mail drafting. The candidates who are nearby Addanki, they will be preferred more. You can share your resume along with your expected salary details, everything to the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Email ID is hr.vallalabha@gmail.com, and contact number is 9618600966. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Sai Neuro. They have several vacancies like duty doctors. Qualification is MBBS, BAMS, BDS or PharmD, and receptionist 3 positions available. Minimum qualification is degree, and nurses 10 vacancies are available, GNM or ANM, and computer operators 4 vacancies available, and Arogyasri experience is preferred, and ward boys 4 vacancies available, qualification is 10th. Operation theatre work 3 vacancies available to work in Ongole and Addanki locations. You can share your resumes at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone numbers for further information. The email IDs are srisainuro8@gmail.com and rama9290234999@gmail.com, and contact numbers are 8121509509 and 9290234999. Next, there is a job openings for Natraj Jewelry Mart Private Limited. They have several vacancies like billing comes cashier, accountant, sales executives, and inventory tagging department executive. And for cashier, accountant, and sales executives, they are required experience. Minimum jewelry experience is required. Freshers also can apply for these positions. Age limit is below 35 years, and should be a pleasing personality, and should have a hard-working attitude. Leadership qualities are required, and should have excellent sales and communication skills. Should be a graduate. For all these positions, graduation is mandatory, and accommodation and food will be provided by company. Good salary. Immediate joining is preferred. You can directly attend the interview at the provided contact address on the December 22nd, Tuesday, and timings is 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. So you have to carry updated resume along with your relevant documents and passport size photo. Contact number is 9208799999. You can see there is a contact address provided here, so you have to walk into the given address on the December 22nd, Tuesday, between 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Next, there is a job openings for Divis Laboratories Limited, located in Visakhapatnam and Hyderabad. They have vacancies for trainee helper and trainee supervisor. For trainee helper, minimum qualification is SSC, ITI, diesel mechanical fitter and electrical, and minimum age is 19 years, and up to 25 years of age is considered. Stipend offered 12,500. And for trainee supervisor, they are required BSc chemistry or B Pharmacy, BTech, mechanical or chemical. BMSc Organic, Analytical and Microbiology. So these are all the qualification. Minimum age is 21 to 25 years for these two positions, like these two qualifications. For BSc Chemistry qualification, they offer up to 15,000 per month, and for B Pharmacy, BTech, MSc qualifications, they offer 16,000 per month. So you have to carry your resume along with your original certificates and Xerox copies to the provided given address on the given concerned dates. December 21st, this is the venue location, Hindu College of Pharmacy, Amaravati Road, Guntur. On December 22nd, you have to attend at the venue Siddhartha College of Arts and Science, AS Ramarao Road, Magalrajapuram, Siddharth Nagar, Vijayawada. So these two are the venue details to attend the given dates between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So interview time will be 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. They also given some facilities also, you can check with that. For bachelors, they are offering free accommodation and free uniform will be given. Provident fund, ESI facilities are there, yearly bonuses are there, and they also offer with a less amount of less charges will be taken for food. So you can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 8341624170 and 9505792440. Next, there is a job openings for Saurya Consultancy. They are hiring for freshers and experienced female candidates for their consultancy. Qualification is any degree. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to 15,000, 50,000 per month. Job locations Vijayawada 10 vacancies available and Gunturu 10 vacancies available. For experienced candidates, they will offer up to 50,000 per month also. You can contact on the given phone number. Contact number is 7799833336. Next, there is a job openings for Gandhi Public School located in MM Road near HP Gas, Ongole. They are looking for teachers to teach all subjects from 1st to 5th classes, and a computer operator is required. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9390410003 and 9866878977. Next, there is a job openings for several vacancies. Sansai Group located in Nalgonda, Miryalaguda, Suryapet and Kodad. They have several vacancies, and this is a authorized dealer of Hyundai. They have vacancies for workshop manager, assistant service manager, floor in charge, accounts manager, senior sales executives, spare parts manager, senior technicians, service advisors and junior accountant. So all these positions they have vacancies, and they have also provided the qualification details also. You can check with that what are the experience required and in which industry, two-wheeler or four-wheeler, everything they clearly mentioned. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Email ID is sansai.hr@gmail.com and contact numbers are 9160800028 and 77381 Next, there is a job vacancies for Aditya Degree Colleges. They have several vacancies for North Andhra and Godavari districts to teach the subject all the subjects for BSc, BCA, BBA, BCom classes. And they have also provided the what are the subjects they have vacancies: mathematics, computers, artificial intelligence, commerce, microbiology, digital marketing, physics, statistics, data sciences, management, biochemistry, hotel management, chemistry, electronics, animation, forensic science, biotechnology, English and Telugu. And they are also looking for trained positions for arithmetic, reasoning and soft skills. So for all these subjects they have vacancies, and they are also looking for librarians, lab demonstrators for all science labs, and hardware technicians for computer labs. Attractive salary along with for deserving candidates will be offered. You can contact on the given email ID or phone numbers for further information. Email ID is career@aditya.ac.in and contact numbers are 0884237665 and 2385359 and 9704376667. You can also go through the provided website address to check with the more details: www.aditya.ac.in/degree. Next, there is a job openings for John Deere Tractor Showroom. They are looking for job, marketing executives and mechanics for the locations Addanki, Kandukuru, Ongolu branches. Salary offered up to 15,000 per month. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9705999250. Next, there is a job openings for V-Guard Servicing Center located in Ongolu for servicing geyser, fans, stabilizer, inverter, and servicing technicians are required. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9849604853 and 9133809666. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Enterprises located in Abdanki. They are looking for marketing executives for marketing their products, Asian paints, sanitizers, floor cleaners. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9247424587. Next, there is a job openings for Srinitya Enterprises located in Maturu. They are looking for sales executives for ITC distribution. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9247424587. Next, there is a job openings for Trigger Showroom. They are looking for sales executives. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. The showroom located at Tulsiram Theatre, Karnool Road, Ongolo. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9989848485. Next, there is a job openings for Saknasri Medical Shop. They are looking for male candidates to work in their medical shop. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. They are looking for experienced and both freshers also. Contact numbers are 8328546839 and 9966581651. Next, there is a job openings for Sugo Foods. They are looking for marketing executives. Minimum salary 15,000 to up to 25,000 per month. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 8985938888 and 9110550515. Next, there is a job openings for Chirala Handlooms. They are looking for Tyler Job Works executives. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9885112301. Next, there is a job openings for Sai Ratna filling station located at Karnulu Road, Ongole, near RTC bus stand. It is a petrol bunk and oil filling station. They are looking for only male candidates to work as a pumping boys. Salary offered up to 10,000 per month. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9346932406. Next, there is a job openings for Apollo Pipes. They are looking for accountant and a van driver. Should have a knowledge of tally for accountant position. Local candidates will be preferred. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9440265171. Next, there is a job openings for We Got Family Restaurant. They are looking for cashiers. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role. Attractive salary is offered. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9866011278. Next, there is a job openings for Hotel Soma International. They are looking for reception manager, supervisor, and service boys, and cleaning executives and watchmen as well. Salary offered up to 10,000 per month. Qualification minimum intermediate or 12th. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8939696646. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Ongole location as early as possible. I will release a new video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings moving forward as well. Please share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for your love and support. Have a great day, guys.